Yes, good morning, student. So today we will see the topic that is DC motor. In the previous video, we have seen the AC motor. Okay, so what is DC motor? Yes, a DC motor is an electrical machine that converts electrical energy into which energy? The mechanical energy. Okay, in DC motor, the input electrical energy is a direct current, which is transformed into the mechanical rotation. Okay, so this is what the similar like that of AC motor, only we are giving the input in terms of the direct current over here. Now this is what the DC motor construction part. So this is what the construction part of a DC motor, and that you have to draw in the exam. This diagram you need to draw in the examination. Okay, so this is what shaft, armature conductor, field winding, pole shoes, yoke, commutator, interpole. Now, for understanding purpose, I am going to show you the नेक्स्ट स्लाइड में मैं दूसरी वाली डायग्राम शो करने जा रहा हूँ, लेकिन ये वाली डायग्राम आपको एग्जाम में निकालनी है अगर क्वेश्चन इज ऑन द डीसी मोटर, राइट? सो व्हाट इज द वर्किंग प्रिंसिपल ऑफ दिस? What is the working principle of DC motor? When a current carrying conductor is kept in the magnetic field, it gains a torque and develops a tendency to move. In short, when electric fields and magnetic field interact, a mechanical force arises. So this is what a working principle of DC motor. Now, for understanding the construction of this DC motor, this is the diagram. Now, see student, this diagram you need not to be drawn in the examination, but this text or the explanation you have to write in the examination, right? Now, so how many components are there of the DC motor? The yoke, that is frame. This is what you are the frame. ये वाला structure दिख रहा है ना, वो वाला. So it is outer frame, magnetic path. Then this is what you are the pole core. It carries a field winding. Then this is pole shoe. It spreads the flux uniformly. Field winding, this is what you are the field winding. DC field winding, it creates a magnetic field. This is what you are the armature core. Laminated core with slots. Yes, the armature winding, this is what you are the armature winding. This one, copper winding in slot, carries a current. Commutator, this is what your commutator, copper segments, and it reverses the current in the armature. These are the brushes, carbon brushes, transfer current from supply to the commutator, and this is what your the shaft which transmit the mechanical power. Okay, and these are the other parts, bearing, fans, and end cover. Now, this text you need to write on the examination for explaining the DC motor, and here is a working principle. Yes. What is the working of DC motor? What is the working of DC motor? So the first step is what? A DC supply is given to the field winding and armature winding of the motor, right? Second is what? The field winding produces a stationary magnetic field in the stator. The same thing I have explained you in the AC motor video. Then the third is what? The DC supply to the armature through brushes and commutator causes a current to flow in the armature conductor, right? And each current carrying conductor in the magnetic field experiences a mechanical force. Conductors on opposite side of the armature experiences a force in the opposite direction, right? These opposite forces produces a torque on the armature, and the armature starts rotating in the direction of the resultant torque, right? And during the rotation, the commutator reverses the direction of the current in the armature conductors every half revolution, so that the torque remains in the same direction. Okay? And due to continuous torque, the armature keeps rotating as long as the DC supply is given. And the last is the rotating armature delivers the mechanical power at the shaft. Yes, so this is what the working of DC motor. This explanation of steps you have to write in the examination for working of DC motor. Advantage of DC motor. The first advantage is DC motor have a simpler installation and maintenance. DC motors are typically more efficient and make better use of their input energy. They have a high startup power. It required a high startup power. They have a high starting torque. It is high as 5% as compared to the normal operating torque. They have a fast responses time to starting, stopping, and acceleration. What are the disadvantage of the DC motor? High initial cost. Yes, high initial cost. Then its operation cost and maintenance costs are very high due to the presence of commutator and brush gear. Risk in the commutation failure because due to sparking occurs at brush and it cannot operate in explosive hazard condition. Okay, so these are what advantage and disadvantage of your the DC motor. Okay, so if the question is on the DC motor, you need to draw this diagram, definition, working principle, and the construction per text along with advantage and disadvantage. Right? Yes, thank you.